Welcome. In this short video, I want us to install Visual Studio Code, since that will be the IDE that we will be using throughout this semester. Okay, so if you go to code.visualstudio.com, you on Linux, of course, you will have a .deb package and a .rpm package or installation. So for us, we'll be using the .deb. So we'll simply click on this, and after it finishes installing, it will look like this. Okay, it's about 77 megabytes. So what we want to do now, after it has downloaded, we simply want to install it. Okay, and so the way to install a .deb package. Okay, so I'll need to navigate to the downloads folder. Okay, and so I have the .deb file here. So all I want to do, I'll simply say sudo, okay, apt install. Notice sudo apt install and / and tab. Okay, so when I press enter, it will ask me for my password. Okay, and it will simply proceed to install the package. All right, now once the package is installed, okay, we will need to, let's close this. Okay, let's close that. We need to come here, okay, show applications, and not on the first screen. Let's try the other screen. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to say add to favorites, and it brings it over here. Okay, so let's click here again. All right, and if I click on the Visual Studio Code icon, we will see that Visual Studio loads. Oops. All right, so I had it loads my last files. So let me get rid of that. Close folder. Okay. All right, so that's what you should see when you first start up Visual Studio Code. All right. Okay, I will see you in the next videos.